police. But to say I came here to Honorable James and I said I'm a liar, I cannot say that. It was said like that because of an operation that I have done.
No, that's fine. You don't lie, you create falsehoods. Honorable President, please proceed.
Okay, Mr. Mogosti, on page 6 of your affidavit, you say you were tasked by Lieutenant General Mfazi in your capacity as a contact agent to investigate and look into irregularities within the crime intelligence and South African Police Service. Really? You were? You need to answer.
Oh, yes, I was.
You were?
But the question really...
Yes, really.
Yes.
Investigate and look into irregularities. You're an informant. You're not a policeman. You're not an investigator. You are an informant. You can like it, you cannot like it. It doesn't make any difference to me. You're an informant.
All right, maybe allow me, Chair, to...
so tell me why.
Yes, let me get this
briefly
understood. Yeah. You can never, it's impossible to arrest the police through the police. They'll never commit anything in the presence of other police. You will need someone like me, to go to a police station and say someone is arrested here. His name is James, please, or is Peter. How can you help me? Tell me, here's the investigating officer. And we know that investigating officer, when he gets money, he releases the client or he releases the suspect. It's me who must set him up, give him money, and you arrest him. The issue that you must show me an informant who will, as a lawyer, Chair, who will conduct a 252A and record who is not how you view it, probably in those old years, like you say, you're an older man, madam. Now you need like someone. I must go to church. If they're selling drugs in church, I must go to church. I must donate in church until I get the information.
I was a prosecutor for 30 years, Mr. Mogosti. There's very little you can teach me about the criminal justice system, really, very little.
Yes.
Very little.
And you could not prosecute any more cases without agents and informants. The police will never go to a place, sit there and drink with criminals. They'll run away. There must be someone like me. The police cannot write an affidavit and say, I'm working the minister. He'll be arrested.
Mr. Mogosti, we agree. We agree on that. You're an informer. You're not a policeman.
Yes, I'm not a policeman.
No.
Yes.
You don't investigate matters. And I think it's a little bit stretching the truth when you say that you were tasked to establish an information network inside and outside of crime intelligence in order to investigate or uncover high-level corruption. I really... what year was that?
Through Chair, I don't know if I bring you a proof of payment within subs.
Just tell me the year. That's all I'm asking you.
On which year?
Yes.
Oh, I didn't hear you.